do you know how I'm breaking while you fall asleep? Little do you know all my mistakes are slowly drowning me. Little do you know I try to pick myself up piece by piece. Little do you know I need a little more time. I know not everyone will be connected to their phone, but I definitely was very much connected to my phone. I really couldn't imagine how it actually happened. Last year, when I got this phone, I was so excited. I was so happy. I never thought I'll be so careless that I might just, you know, lose it so soon. I never thought this would happen at all. I'm feeling so weird. I don't even know what to say. I'm kind of when it fell, I literally got a mild kind of pain here. I didn't want to break it, or by mistake also I didn't want anything to happen to this phone, of course. And insurance also got expired 2 weeks ago. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to repair this. I had a lot of connection with this phone because I remember the memories when I took the first photo in this iPhone. It was so beautiful. I never even thought that the picture quality will be that good. The first image I took was really, s- I felt like, oh my god, it's my new iPhone. This is my first new iPhone. I felt really that way when I took that first picture in this phone. I had lot of memories in this. I'm feeling a little bit sad, kind of. I don't know how to express. I'm kind of I'm planning to repair this phone, but according to my investigation on Google and YouTube, this might actually cost me around 53K. It is completely out of my budget. I really can't afford it right now. And I'm not getting enough money from YouTube as well. I'm spending most of my earnings on YouTube itself. I don't know how am I gonna repair this. According to me, or I might have to, get it repaired in a lower budget. Do you guys have any idea? Please give me a suggestion if you guys know how to repair this in a cheaper price, or if you know any good place in Bangalore, because I stay in Bangalore. That would be really helpful if I know, or if I could repair this in less budget. 53K, of course it's not possible right now. When I researched about the insurance, 2 weeks ago itself it was expired. I don't know whether it's my bad luck or what, but I'm really so frustrated, annoyed, and I don't know actually. I had a lot of memories in this phone. As a YouTuber, I'm really not sure how to take this. It was so unexpected. And as a YouTuber, from the beginning of my channel, I've been using this same phone for editing, for taking videos, and all that. I never thought this would happen. I don't know what to do now. From past 1 year, This phone is with me all the time. Probably this is the only thing in the whole world where I spend more time with. Now suddenly this happened to the phone. I don't know how to actually take it. I feel like crying, but I don't want to because I'm not a little kid, you know.
వర్షం ముందుగా మబ్బుల ఘర్షణ మనసున ముసిరే ఇది మరి ప్రణయమా ప్రణయమా Do you know how I'm breaking while you fall asleep? Little do you know all my mistakes are slowly drowning me. Little do you know I try to pick myself up piece by piece. Little do you know I need a little more time.
Please do suggest me if you know any place in Bangalore where I can get this done in a less price. When I researched about the, what do you call, when I researched about the insurance,